to rain, but don't worry, we're professionals. Well, other people are professionals. I just wanted to show you something, just something that we're doing at the moment. So let me just show you this van here. Not that van, this one here. So this one is a Swift Mondial, basically. It's a 2009, nice looking van. Now, if you can see, it's looking a little bit bare, isn't it? But with magic, abracadabra, look what we've done. Come and have a look at this. Now, I'm going to let you walk this way first. Here we go, keep walking this way because you'll get a proper effect. So, let's have a look at the other side. Look what we've done. Look at that, eh? By just putting the old transfers or whatever, stickers, whatever we want to call them, were looking a little bit faded. So, we basically got some new ones. And look what we've done. We've got the proper Mondials on it. And we've actually transformed the van. Doesn't it look different?
Looks good.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. So
you've got that side. Let's go round. And then look at that side. What a difference it's made. It's really brought out the van. It's making it look a really nice van. So we don't just stand around making videos, we do actually do something. Well, I didn't do it. Now it's really hot enough, the weather is suntan. I ain't got time for suntan. So let me just show you this van we've had in. This wasn't secured down, so we're just securing that down basically. And there was a couple of jobs on it, I think I did mention earlier. So there's always something, however new these vans are, that have to get done. But I'm not here to show you this one, I'm here to show you a van we've just had in, and you've probably seen a few of these. This is a Roller Team 675. It's a perfect family motorhome. Quickly show you inside. I'll just get some light. Oh, just come and have a look, because this is a 2022. You like that? As you can see, it's turn off, turn on, switches.
It's not working.
What do you mean it's not working? So this is the new, obviously the Roller Team have brought out a new control panel, and nothing's working. So turn off, turn it off. No, I don't want to turn it off. So we've got that. You can control it by your phone as well. Turn off, hot water, room climate. What's that? Switches, water pump. Oh, there you go. Look, interior lights. There we go. It's all working now. There we go. Little touch lights. So pretty much the same. If it isn't broke, don't fix it. Well, we've got 3-burner hob. You're getting a over cab bed. You're getting a garage underneath with the cab. I'm losing the plot, it's been a long day. We're getting a garage with the bed, and then going to quickly have a nosy inside. I'll just put the lights on for you. There you go. We're getting a separate shower and toilet, and then if we just come back out, we're getting the fridge actually as well, with a solid box, or as Kevin say, for the beer. And then we've got the dinette, again six belted seats, and then above there big size over cab bed. So just had this one in, Sophia on a 2022 plate. Nice motorhome. Have you got there? So something else I've not shown you as well. We've got the garage here. Look what's in the garage. We've got another bed as well.
Oh.
Yeah, we can take this. Yeah, we can take this out as well. So we are getting another bed. So we're getting 2, 4, 6, 7, even 8 berth it can be as well. So never seen that before, but got a big family. Why not?
What are you doing?
A lot more than you were doing. Actually working. That's what I'm doing. I'll tell you what I am doing is every few weeks we do a price review. We're checking the prices of the vans. We're checking what the competition is on the different platforms, and we're just making sure that we know our pricing is right. So it's a bit of research, takes a while. We're making sure that the pictures are right and everything's looking right on the website. If there's anything we need to change, what's getting views, what's not getting views. It gives us an idea what people are looking for as well. And I've just noticed, let me go back, you can't see this because it's important information, but so I'm just having a nosy through, and a lot of the camper vans I'm noticing are getting a lot of views, and some of the family ones aren't. So probably because we're coming up to holiday time, people have already got their family vans sorted out, but there's a lot of interest in camper vans. So I'll stop wittering, and I tell you what I didn't show you the other day, but I'm going to show you now. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. So this van over here, this is Aldi's. We did a gas test on it, and it's had a minor leak. So the way we worked is we isolate all the appliances, and then we switch each appliance on, trying to work out where the leak's coming from. And we found it was coming from the barbecue point. And I don't know if we're going to pick this up on this barbecue point. See the hairline crack we've got there? You just see it? There? Hairline crack. So anyway, so there was what was causing our little problem. So what we did, we don't mess around, we just put a new one on, complete new one, stop messing about, get it done, rechecked it, gas tested it again just to be doubly sure, and now that is all good to go. So we get these little problems even on the newer vans as well as the older vans. Anyway, I'm going back. Weather update. I haven't done a weather update for too long. No. Weather update. It was raining earlier for about 10 minutes, then it's gone lovely. Then it rained again for 10 minutes, then it went lovely. So we need to have a cloud update. We've got a bit of black stuff over there going into white stuff.
Proper weatherman you are.
I am. I'm a cloud connoissance, if you know what I mean. So remember when I showed you earlier, we were putting the stickers on that camper van. We've now done the other side. Phew. Doesn't it look a totally different van? So the stickers are all on. There we go. We've got the Mondial on. We've got all the nice stickers there, all across. Everything looking nice. And then, I don't know why I'm showing you the other side. And there we go. So just for a few pounds you can completely transform your van if the stickers are tired. Basically the sun's the major contribution for that. Obviously they start to fade. Obviously we're washing the van as well over the years, they do start to fade. So for the sake of a few pounds you can completely transform your van, and just look at the difference. So right, what I need to do, I don't know what I need to do. I need to get the pack for this van and process it so I can get this van on its way.